In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check the storage used on Google Drive. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can follow along on a computer. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google's homepage. Before you do anything else, glance at the top right to make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account, the one whose drive storage you want to check. You'll see your profile icon there if you're signed in. If not, sign in first so the next steps appear the way they should. Next, look to the top right for the small grid icon, sometimes called the Google Apps Launcher. It looks like a square made of 9 dots. Click that to open the panel of Google services. From this panel, choose Drive. If you don't see Drive right away, scroll the panel or select View All Apps to reveal it. Clicking Drive will open Google Drive in a new tab. Once Drive is open, move your attention to the left-hand sidebar. Find and click Storage. It's near the bottom of the menu. If your sidebar is collapsed, click the menu icon to expand it so the storage option becomes visible. Selecting Storage takes you to your Storage Details page inside Drive. At the top of this page, you'll see your total usage clearly displayed. For example, something like X of 15 GB used. That number tells you how much of your available storage you've consumed. Right below, Google Drive lists your files by size, from largest to smallest. This makes it easy to see what's taking up the most space. You can open a file's location or select it if you need to manage it later. A few helpful notes here. For personal Google accounts, your total storage includes files in Drive, items still in the trash until they're permanently deleted, Gmail messages and attachments, and photos or videos stored in original quality in Google Photos. If you're on a paid plan or using a work or school account, your total storage limit may be different, but the way you view it here is the same. If the number doesn't look up to date, try refreshing the page. After moving large files to the trash, it can take a little time for the usage figure to update. You can also go directly to this storage view by typing drive.google.com/drive/quota into your browser. And that's all there is to it. By opening Drive, clicking the Apps grid, choosing Drive, and then selecting Storage in the sidebar, you can immediately see how much space you've used and which files are the largest. Thanks for watching. And now you know exactly where to check your Google Drive storage anytime.